today I'm going to put wheels on my pellet smoker on the front legs. I love my pellet smoker. I cook on it all the time. The problem I'm having is when I use it, I always move it away from the house to keep the heat from being too close and picking up on the side of the hopper. Unfortunately, that's where there's no wheels. So I can pick it up and bring it out. When I'm done, I have to roll it back in. So I'm going to put some wheels on that basically when they're not being used, the wheels don't touch the ground, so it's stable. It sits really nice and tight. But when you need them, you push down on the lever. It's going to push the wheels down about 3/4 of an inch and pick these legs up off the ground. Then you can roll it around wherever you need to, and then when you're done, you just pick up on the lever, and then the legs go back down on the ground, and then it's not going to roll around anywhere. So I bought 4 of them, so that's how they come. They're for workbenches, but I'm going to put 2 on this, and I'm going to put 2 on my gas grill. That way I can move them easily. Okay, so these are the casters I bought. Got them on Amazon. Not too expensive. These are made by Soul Jazz. Weird name, but whatever. I'll put the link in the description. You get 4. Comes with instructions on basically how to put them together, which is pretty straightforward. I recommend leaving the wheels off until you're done so you can get to the bottom screws better. So it comes with a nice stencil. The bottom part here is where the floor is, so you just basically put it on the ground next to what you want to mount it to, and that will tell you where to put the holes. So I'm going to drill holes using a drill and a bit. You can use self-tapping screws if you want, or you can run long bolts with nuts on the back side. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to go ahead and pick this stencil up, center it, drill my holes. So after drilling pilot holes in the right place, make sure nothing walks around, I'm going to use these type screws here. They're made to be self-tapping, but I don't like screws walking around trying to find a hole. I like to make a hole first. You can see here I picked up the legs and put them on a couple 2x4s just to make it a little bit easier to work with. The kit comes with this little tool. What's great about it is it's really thin, otherwise it can be really hard to get a wrench inside this thing. Basically, you have to sit there all the time. Legs are loose, see? Everything's stable. Push the levers down. Second one kind of went up with it. And then you can easily roll it out where you need to. What's nice is the casters do move and you can steer. Super easy. Tuck it back away under the cover. And lock down. Not going anywhere. Super easy.